G'day, I'm Grant from Motion. With me today is Derek from Gates. G'day, Derek.
G'day, Grant. Great to be here.
Great to have you. I mean, crimping has always been, one of the biggest challenges when you're coming into the hydraulic industry, isn't it? I mean, the knowledge you need to get to a point where you are confident in the crimp is a big journey, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it used to be you have to learn it through experience, or calculate your own crimp specs. But these days, a lot of that crimper technology does it for you.
Which is fantastic for people who are now moving into this particular field. So has Gates got a solution in terms of we can ensure we've got that correct crimp?
Absolutely, and it starts with the crimper technology.
Yep.
So a lot of the crimpers today are preset with what crimp diameters for what particular hose and fittings. And Gates now has a great tool called eCrimp, where we bring all that together for the end user.
Fantastic. So we're talking the technology needed in terms of the data and the information aligning itself with the crimper.
Yeah, absolutely. And I've got my phone here, so we can go through live on eCrimp. So now we've got a full range of Gates crimpers on the screen. So we're going to select the GC32XD crimper. And from there you can see the whole range of Gates hoses are now available to you. And you can search for any hose. The good thing is there's pictures to select from to help you as well. We're going to put a search on and we're going to call up the Gates new MXT or the MXT XTP hose. Now that then brings up all the dash sizes that are available to in that hoses. So what does that mean? What size hoses are available? So dash 4 through to dash 16. So we're going to go 1 inch. And then it tells us, well, what couplings, what ends are available to go on that. You've got stainless steel, the GS 2-piece coupling, or their G 1-piece mega crimp coupling. We select the 1-piece mega crimp coupling, and then all your crimp information comes up. Starting with the die set. So this is the correct die set to use in the crimper. And that's the die set's what actually does the crimping for you. The crimper provides all the power, but the die set gives you the crimping finish. And the setting to put the crimper on. So this is a dial crimper, so you just set it to that setting on the crimper, and it'll do all the work for you. It's a set and forget once it's done. The only thing you should always do is just come down here and check the crimp outside diameter and just measure with a set of verniers to make sure you've got the correct crimp data at the end. And that's it, all in one place.
Thanks very much, Derek. Well, for more information about the Gates crimpers and more importantly how the eCrimp can make your day just a little bit easier, contact your nearest Motion branch.